Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to disable the feature where you have to type in your Windows PIN when using a saved password in Google Chrome. So of course, as you probably know, you could save names and passwords and addresses and phone numbers within Google Chrome. So for example, you wanted to log into Reddit here. If you have your browser save your login information, you don't have to type it each time. But sometimes you might have this happen. So we're going to click in here. So we have this saved login information. And you can see it wants me to put in the Windows PIN in order to use the saved password in Chrome. And now that I put in the PIN, it lets me log in. So I guess it's an extra bit of security if you leave your computer on and you don't want people automatically logging into websites using your saved password. All right, so if you want to disable that, it's actually pretty easy here. So all you need to do is click on the three dots, go to Passwords and Autofill, Google Password Manager, and you can see we have the saved password here. And if you go to Settings, you should have this option here to use Windows Hello when filling passwords. And if that's enabled, simply turn it off. You'll have to put in your PIN to do so. Now let's just close and reopen Chrome here. Go back to Reddit. Let's log in. You see it asks if you want to turn that on after you turn it off. And if you say continue, then you'll turn it back on, but otherwise say no thanks. And now we're in. All right, so once again, click on the three dots in the corner here, Passwords and Autofill, Google Password Manager, Settings, and then make sure use Windows Hello when filling passwords is turned off, or you could just type this in the address bar. So I'll put this in the description here so you can just copy and paste it if you don't want to have to go through it the longer way. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.